Hello everyone! So today we are gonna do car racing. First we're gonna build the tracks and then race the cars on it. So this is what it looks like when the cars are racing. It's really exciting, isn't it? Let's get started now. So, alright, this is the box. Let's unbox it. Well, these are the parts. And a manual. This explains how to lay out the tracks. This is a yellow track. Another one. It's a long, nice one. Then we have the cars. These are the racing cars. We have more tracks. And what are these? These are elevating tracks. The car launcher. This is where the batteries go. This is the anchor for the helicopter. Now we're gonna fix the tracks like this, below the launcher. Now this track goes right here. Alright. Now, this track will go right here in these slots. So this goes on the orange part, and this one goes right here. Like this. Yay! The tracks are ready! These are amazing racing tracks! Now we can race on it! So we place the anchor here, and on top goes the helicopter. And now the cars. We have 4 cars. So that's how it looks like. Quite excited to begin the race. The helicopter starts moving. And we place the cars like this and they start moving. The launcher launches the cars on the tracks, while the helicopter is constantly moving. All the cars are pretty quick and they're racing right now. Let's see which car wins the race. We can watch the race from all the sides like this. There are multiple tracks for the cars to race on. Have fun racing the cars. Good luck for the win. Wowkidz, fun and learn. Please subscribe to our channel today.